Step number 1, drag and drop your video file. Step number 2, let it auto edit. Today, Claude and I will build an automatic editor. It cuts silences automatically, edits out my double takes, so I can turn my 2-hour video clips into 30 minutes of publish ready content. We're gonna build it in 6 steps. So by the end of this, you can build your own auto editor, or you could just copy mine for free. So let's get started. So step number 1 is going to be build the cut page. As you can see, Claude Code already knows everything about the plan, what we're going to build. So all I'm going to say is to start step number 1. What I kind of want is in the bottom here that there is a button to go from the editor, which is this button right here, which is an arrow right now, to this cut page on the left side. So as you can see, that is what it's working on right now. Content part 1 and 2 adds up to around 2.3 gigabytes. So that's again 2 hours of footage that I don't want to cut out the silences. I don't want to cut out the double takes. Nobody likes that task. So hopefully we can get it to be completely automatic. And then hopefully we can click on raw cut now. And it's going to be a little bit of this going on right here, as you can see, and we can change it. And I guess that's fine, but we do not want it in the side here. I want it specifically on the bottom here so we can have a completely new page. So let me send it that prompt. Oh, look at that. We actually got a couple of buttons at the bottom here now. Raw cut. Hey, look at that. In the raw cut tab, it's saying step 1, V2 ship the bottom mode bar. Yes. Raw cut mode. Yes. You can right click any asset in the media and you can select open in raw cut. And yeah, the header stays the same. It's just a new dashboard. So yeah, that is step number 1 complete if I ever saw it. But now let's go to step number 2, upload and analyze or get green and red, the silence detection. So let's prompt Claude right now. Boom. Now why this is important is because if you have 2 hours of footage, for me at least, I have a lot of silences. And cutting that out manually is extremely labor intensive, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Whoa, look at that. We got a bunch of updates. Step 2, ready to eyeball. I can tweak the filter below sound level 43, have silences longer than 0.75 seconds, ignore detections, left padding, right padding. All right, so as you can see, it is going bananas. We are decoding audio and it's going really fast, which is super cool. And there we go. Red and green, we can't really do much, but at least we can kind of scrub the footage, which is kind of cool. And no zoom in. I'm gonna do a prompt. I guess I am able to kind of play back. Do you hear that? So I would say that upload and analyze is finished. Let's get on with step number 3, detect double takes in blue. I'll just write to Claude, start step number 3. Massive win. Fork already has in-browser whisper transcription that I set up in a previous session. Back. Yo, look at this. There's a new button. Small, good balance of speed. Detect double takes. Clean. Step 3, ready to test what's wired. You have the blue overlay on the waveform. So I guess we're gonna click on the small, tiny, medium, large, and then I can click on detect double take. So what I'm gonna do is just small, I guess. First click downloads the model, and as you can see, it's gonna load the model 0%. Yep. And on a 2-hour clip, whisper tiny on CPU is 5 to 8 minutes. All right, some cool things happening here. I'm gonna go tiny again, and also I do see that there is quite a bit of selection here that may not be correct. So let's click on detect double takes. We actually got the model to load 100% now. Let's just wait. Oh, and just like that, we got 3 suggested double takes. As you can see, these are double takes. So hold up, I'm gonna, and then I maybe stopped. And then I said it again, I hold up, I'm gonna. Similarity 67%. And here as well, and just like that, it's in good. Nope. And just like that, it's in GitHub. And apparently I said it twice. So I messed up twice, and that's perfect. It actually would cut away the 2 double takes that I said earlier, but only 3 of them? That sounds a little bit little, but still, it definitely did work. We definitely have a blue line here as well. So I'm just gonna run these 7 improvements. That will just make it a lot faster. So I definitely think that it was able to do step number 3. Absolutely incredible. So let's head to step number 4, add the keyboard shortcuts. So I'm just gonna send the prompt to it to upgrade and start on step number 4. Hold on. This time I'm going to use the handoffs and send it to a new fresh agent that will not do stupid mistakes. As you can see, we're running about 9 agents right now with Agent Flow, one of the tools I built. Okay, step number 4, we have started and we now have Zoom. Whoa, okay. Oh, it's very sensitive, the silence detection, I can see. And it actually is working. So there's a lot of missing keyboard shortcuts I can see, but so far, can I play it? Yep, it actually plays too. Wow. There's definitely a lot of missing errors and stuff. Let me just prompt. Look at how good it looks. And just like that, we got a bunch more keyboard shortcuts. And look at this. Clicking on X goes directly where it should go. Clicking on Shift to the left, Shift to the right, jumps to the next green. So we can keep going from every single green cut to the next one. And then of course, toggle green on by just doing some quick keyboard shortcuts with Q, W, and E to go forward. And as you can see, this is how you can edit silences really quickly and keep going from clip to clip with just keyboard shortcuts. Now, I'm gonna do my entire 2-hour clip because we kind of done step number 4. I'll probably do some upgrades to it, but I'll check it off for now. Amazing work. Next, step number 5, export cuts into editor. So what's about to happen is I'm gonna start at frame number 0 and I'm gonna go to the end of the clip and essentially go like this, right? So shift right, click on W if I don't want it, click on shift right again. It goes to the next screen clip, click on W, next screen clip, W, next screen clip, and so it goes. Like I'll just listen. Damn, we have this big bar around the entire. Do I want that? No. Do I want this next one? It is my way. Next one, no. Next one, no. Next one, no. And we keep going. As you can see, it's very good right now, but we do have to have some other things. Like if I'm selected at this play clip here and I want to delete this one, I should be able to say, all right, pretty big prompt right there, just fixing small things so that I can just edit a little bit quicker. It's really cool that we've been going 2 hours and we're really close to the final product, but of course there's more. All right, I'm gonna edit it from front to back. Let's see how long this takes. Boom. So now it actually just plays the green. So I can do here S, Q, and then I can click on D for the next one. Here it's detecting something that I don't want. I'm gonna click on 3 to make it. Wow, really cool. So this seems good. I'm just gonna keep going through. So it's actually perfect right now. It even has my favorite keyboard shortcuts directly on my left hand only, because I don't want to shift left click, right click with my right hand. What the hell? So I've done like 30% of the video probably. I'm just gonna do a little bit more and let's see if it actually exports. Okay, that is insane. It is so good. I am loving it. I didn't really detect the double takes that much here. I kind of forgot about it. I definitely want to do this better and possibly make a fluff remover or story improver, because we can take that transcript and ask AI, hey, is this good transcript? Is there anything we should add? But the main question is, can we export all the cuts into the editor? All we gotta do is to click on send to editor. Boom. If this works, whoop, we should have a raw cut clip and it's here. Look at this. If I take away And here you can see the final edit. It's actually in the editor. Oh, I guess we didn't save the previous step. But as far as I'm concerned, we have been able to export the cut into the editor. I'm just gonna polish it a tiny bit. So I'm gonna take that as step number 5, export cuts into editor is complete. But you might be wondering how you can get access. That also gives you the diagram generator that allows you to edit all your diagrams. The chapter studio that allow you to make beautiful chapters in your videos. If you're not tech savvy, just go to creatorgrowth.com. You'll get on this page here. If you're not a member of our AI Made School community, just click on become a member and sign in on the next page when you join AI Mate. Once you've done that, this post is going to explain how you get access. But essentially, it's just to click on sign in, then just enter your email right here. You should get a code in your email. And once that is through, on the next page, you're in and ready to go. So it just went from 0 to an automatic editor with Claude Code in about 4.5 hours. This is part 1 of the auto editor series. I'm gonna do a bunch more to this as I continue using it daily and as I get feedback from you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.